So what if we want to perform matrix multiplication? Okay, so baka ang gagawin nyo is matrix A times matrix B. Kumbaga, ito ang gagawin nyo. Equals matrix A tapos asterisk matrix B. So the result will be yan siya. But actually, it's wrong. Okay? Hindi yan siya pwede. Kasi, it tells Microsoft Excel to multiply each element of the cell. It does not follow the rule of multiplication. Okay? What I'm trying to tell you is that, for example, ito, 1 times 0, 0. Negative 2 times 3 is 6, and then 3 times 4 is 12. Eh, hindi naman ganun yung rule sa matrix multiplication, diba? So, basically, this is not the correct way of performing matrix multiplication. So, the correct way is using the m multiply na function. So, this is equivalent to, wait lang, sulat muna natin, a times b equals, so, let's select B6. Dito natin i-input yung formula. So that's equal to type M multiply or M mult. According to Excel, this returns the matrix product of two arrays. An array with the same number of rows as array 1 and columns as array 2. So ibig sabihin nun, it can only perform multiplication if the two matrices are compatible. Okay, then after that, open parentheses. Let's select array number 1, or this time you may type the name of the matrix. So pwede lang matrix A, and then comma, the second matrix is matrix B. Then close parentheses and then press enter. Ta-da! So that's the correct way of computing the product of two matrices. Let's check. So dapat 1 times 0 plus negative 2 times negative 4 plus 3 times 3 should be equivalent to 17. And then 1 times 3 plus negative 2 times 7 plus 3 times 5 should be equal to 4. Dapat tama yan siya. And then lastly, 1 times 4 plus negative 2 times 1 plus 3 times negative 8 should be equivalent to negative 22. Pag hindi, so ibig sabihin may mali sa inyong pag-encode or sa pag-program nyo dito sa Excel. Kasi alam naman natin, very powerful ang computer. So, mas less likely na magkamali siya. Kung magkamali man siya, ibig sabihin the source is coming from us, the programmer, the encoder. Okay? Thank you.